Fullerton Tool has been a partner with Montague Tool for probably 15 years now. We were introduced through PF Marquee. We have a wonderful salesman who's introduced us to many of Fullerton's products. Probably the greatest reason why we like using Fullerton is their custom tooling division. If they say it's going to be this many weeks of lead time, the product is on time and it's to specification. And that's just huge because a lot of custom tools are way past the delivery date and do not meet the specifications. The savings has come through seeing a problem, identifying it, and then making the process more stable and eliminating processes. So maybe a combination tool like a combo drill or a form mill. The modern technology of their coating division has been really important to us. So as an 80-year-old company to an 80-year-old company, it's exciting to see manufacturing in mid-Michigan, in the United States, thriving to create competitive products, and third generation making it happen in the good old US of A. Very important.